Hi, welcome back. This is part 2 of lesson 2 for your directions for your assignments to complete on Friday. So you guys just finished this assignment. You just watched the Pixar short Partly Cloudy. You opened a text box and you submitted one paragraph where you were explaining how the Pixar Studios writers who created Partly Cloudy used plot structure to take us, the viewer or the reader, on an emotional journey and how they unfolded the story using those plot structure elements. Next, we're going to come over here to the Partly Cloudy plot diagram. This is a cloud assignment, and I know that we're still working and practicing on using cloud assignments, so I've done this a little bit differently. You're going to click this button that says Load Pixar Short Partly Cloudy Plot Diagram in a new window, and when you do that, it's going to look like this. So what I'd like you to do is to go into each of these text boxes. You'll just click in, and I want you to label the parts of the story Partly Cloudy onto this plot diagram. I want you to indicate who these characters are, the setting, what's going on in the exposition. I want you to indicate what the conflict is or the initiating event. What's the main problem that kicks off the action here? I want you to go ahead and plot out some rising action moments. The climax, what happens in the story that is the turning point or the height of the action. You can summarize that part of the story right here. Falling action, and again, resolution. How does this story end? So type into each of these text boxes and tell me what is going on with the plot structure of the short Partly Cloudy. My screen looks differently. You will have a submit button. It will either be in the top right corner of this screen, or after you've had a chance to submit all of your answers, when you see that it says saved at the top, if you come back into the Canvas assignment and if you refresh, you should be able to see a submit button in this top corner as well. If you have any technology issues with this cloud assignment, I know that we are still figuring out how to use them. Send me an email. I won't respond until Tuesday if I'm being honest, but on Tuesday we can work it out and we'll figure out whatever we need to do to get your assignment submitted. The last thing in our module for Friday, lesson 2, is a Quizlet on Roots and Affixes list number 1. If you click on this link, it's going to open up a study set. I'd like you guys just to click through this. So you can click through this. There are some flashcards that you can use. You can also go and use the matching game. So in this matching game, you're going to drag and drop, let's see, the root word to its meaning or the affix to its meaning. You can also practice using the gravity game. In this game, asteroids are going to hit the Earth, and you have to stop them by typing the correct answer into this box that you see here. Once you've done that, if we come back into modules, we can just confirm that that is our last activity and that is it. So that's it for this week. We will pick up with the gigantic beard that was evil next week, week 4, when I return. If you have any questions, send them my way through email and we will work it all out on Tuesday when I get back. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend and I'll see you next week. Bye.